Hello guys, it's me again, Sam Burrows, and I know how in the last video I kind of just ended it kind of weirdly. Well, it's because I didn't understand the software that I was using very well, but now I understand it a lot better. The video can only last 10 minutes and all yada yada yada. So that means my videos aren't going to be very long, and they might be kind of awkward and short and weird. But I'm sorry. Like I said, an experiment. So today, I think I'm gonna start a chicken farm so I can get feathers and all that to make arrows and stuff like that. So that's what I am going to work on today. So first of all, I need to make a shovel. Let's see. I need to get some iron. Well, first I need to dump everything. Yeah, I have tons of just stuff everywhere. Here we are. Much better. Clean inventory and everything. Alright, now I just need, I'll just make 2 shovels. Because that would be just easier for me if one breaks. Boom. Alright, so let's get right to it. I'm gonna make it over here. Sorry for the lag. So I don't entirely know how to do this. I've seen videos before a long time ago when I was younger. So, but, oh, come on, I forgot a pickaxe. Alright, I'm gonna make that really quick, and then I'll get right back to it. Let's see. Just 2 more pieces of wood. Alright then. The sun's setting already. Great. I'm trying to post often, so then it'll be fun and entertaining while we're all at home. Alright, then of course I forgot to bring ladders. I think I'll do this. And then I guess there will be a door there or something. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Alright, so let's make a door, unless I have one somewhere. Ah, here we are. So, the next step for this chicken farm that I need to make, I'm assuming, is chickens. Obviously. Let's just hope I don't kill myself in the process of doing this. Actually, I'm just going to fill that up, because it'll save me time. Alright. Let's see. Okay, I need to get seeds. So, to save me some time, I'm just going to break that, pick up the seeds. and go get myself a couple of chickens. So I saw a couple over here. They've been wandering all around and they are annoying and I just keep killing them, but they keep popping out. But now can't find any. Alright, I'll check over here. Oh, here's one. Here, chicky, chicky, chicky. Yes, this way. Follow me. Following? Alright. This way, chicky. Man, it's behaving better than everything else that I've used. Cows and the sheep. Alright, this way. And in you go. No. Come here. No! That's not what I want you to do. Come on. Okay, no, no. Well, maybe. Come here. Come here. Good girl. Now I just need to walk away and close the door. There we go. I might end up breaking that and put a ladder there, but for the time being that should work for now. Alright, let's find another so then we can start creating chicken babies. Alright. Man, they're just like nowhere to be seen. Man. Alright, they have to be in here because I've seen them so many times in here and they're so stinking annoying. Oh, here's one. Come here. Come here, baby. Come here, chicky. Come here. Oh yes, you want the seeds? You want the seeds? Come here. Come on. Over here. This is probably gonna be the last chicken for now, and I'll do a couple stuff off camera to gather more. But we'll watch these two chickens create a child. That'll be a beautiful chicken, and I'll collect the eggs so I can make cake and all that. Oh, I need to figure out the recipe for a cake because I think I can make one. Come here, come on. That's it, girl. Come on. Or boy. I guess you're a boy now. All right. Oh, so beautiful. And that's how you do it. It's amazing. I will eventually pretty this up, but for now it's just temporarily for that. So that is I know it's not a lot, it's something crazy, and it's not like I'm fighting the Ender Dragon or anything, but I will work on that. My next goal is to get to the Nether, so that's what I need to work on now. But look at them. They're so beautiful. Well, that's my next goal, guys. Well, anyways, thanks for watching my video, and have a good day, guys. Stay safe.